What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft verification problem. Now let's say that you do not receive the OTP number from Microsoft on your messages right here. Now in order to fix this issue, you'll have to check some things right here. And the first thing that you will have to check is your internet and network connection. Now here on the top, as you can see, I have here my network connection. It's good connection. And if you are using your mobile data, you can simply use a Wi-Fi. And if you are using an unstable Wi-Fi, you can simply try to use your mobile data. But if you want to make sure that your internet is good, you can simply go and open your YouTube, for example, or open anything that is on the internet. You can open any application and see if it's working properly with the internet or not. And if it's working properly, now you can jump into the next step. And the next step is to see or check if it is a Microsoft issue or a phone issue. And to do that, you can simply go to your Google Chrome. Then you can simply search for down detector. And now this is one of the most helpful websites that will make you know if there is an issue using a specific program or a specific software or not. And what you should do right now is to simply search for Microsoft. And here, as you can see, these graphs shows how many people are reporting that there is a problem using these applications. So if you do not find Microsoft, this means that everything is running properly and there are no problems in Microsoft. So as you can see, there is a problem with Microsoft Teams, but still I cannot see Microsoft itself. So if you do not find it, well, this means that everything is running properly with Microsoft. Now what you should do right now is to simply wait for more time. Sometimes there is a delay when they send you the OTP on your messages, and I want you also to check the connection of the network right here. And another solution, you can simply ask them to send you an email verification code or call you on phone and give you the OTP. So there are some other options rather than sending you the OTP through messages. And if you still have the problem after making all these steps, you can simply go and talk to Microsoft support through your email. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.